Like his first suit.
What do you see now?
There's a flashlight on the floor. Can I get up? I don't want to get up. I'm gonna run into something. There's no ghost.
Don't forget to not look up.
I did. He's not around. I'm like in a little kid's room. Ah! There's like a little Asian kid on the floor. Oh, what's he doing? Ew, what the fuck? Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Oh god. Oh god, that's so fucking creepy. Ah! Ew! Why is it a little Asian kid? He's in my bed. He's like at the bottom of the bed.
Holly's wildest dreams come true.
Ah! And he has glowing eyes. Ah! He just crawled out of the room, like upside down, backwards, like.